a camera because I'm really here in real life. You can enjoy it in real life rather than see a camera. Can you take your tripod down? This isn't a DVD, this is a real show. I really like.
I really appreciate it. But all of this, all these cameras, all these phones, everyone filming me. But you put this to good use because I'm so sorry about us stopping twice. It's been a hell of a week. It's been one damn thing after another, as someone once famously said. But what I really want to do is try and enlist you. I don't use social media, and I'd really appreciate it if you did tweet, blog, hashtag the shit out of this one for me. I don't mind this is part of it, photographs, whatever, outside, fine. I can see cameras, I can see red lights in the auditorium, and it may not be any of you here that did that, but it's blindingly obvious, like that one there, that little red light, it's very, very obvious. So we started again tonight, to be or not to be, which is not the easiest place to be going to play, full stop, but for the second time even harder. I could see a red light in about the third row on the right. It's mortifying. There's nothing less supportive or enjoyable as an actor being on stage, experiencing that. And I can't give you what I want to give you, which is a live performance that you will remember, hopefully in your minds and brains, whether it's good, bad or indifferent, rather than on your phones. So please don't, and it will get strict from now on. They've got devices that are coming on Monday that will have people detected and evicted. So I don't want that to happen. That's a horrible way to have the police. What's a wonderful...
Innocent people to gun violence.
This cannot stand. We will occupy this floor.
We got pulled over for a busted tail light in the back. And the police he's covered. They killed my boyfriend. He's licensed. He's licensed to carry. He was trying to get out his ID and his wallet out his pocket, and he let the officer know that he had a firearm and he was reaching for his wallet, and the officer just shot him in his arm. We're waiting for a back.
Exit now. Keep him up.
Where's my daughter? You got my daughter?
Face away from me and walk backwards. Get on your knees. Get on your knees.